Live from Bryant-Denny Stadium with special guests, feature stories, and a comprehensive look at Alabama's upcoming game. It's Crimson Tide Kickoff on WVUA 23. Brought to you by Alpha.
And good morning, everybody. Happy homecoming game day. I'm Gary Harris, live from the University of Alabama Digital Media Center in the WVUA 23 studios inside Bryant-Denny Stadium. Yes, I've moved inside today. I'm pretty smart in that regard. You're watching Crimson Tide Kickoff presented by Alpha Insurance. Before we get started with our show, I know you must be wondering if it will continue to rain at 6 p.m. when the Tide is scheduled to kick off on ESPN against the Arkansas Razorbacks for homecoming inside Bryant-Denny Stadium. Well, CTKO weather specialist Dax Clark is live with the latest forecast for tonight. That's where we want to get started because, Dax, everybody's wondering what this weather is going to do and whether or not it's going to be out of here in time for the game.
Right, Gary. And right now we've got that rain across Tuscaloosa. Temperatures in the middle 70s, but you can see looking out over the Walk of Champions, quite a bit of rainfall out there. And it is windy as well. Winds gusting over 20 miles an hour at times today. But temperatures, thankfully, have warmed up quite a bit. Temperatures right now, 75 in Tuscaloosa, 74 in Birmingham. Coleman, the cool spot, at 69. And we really don't move a whole lot temperature-wise throughout the day. Now, as we check out the satellite and radar, you can see that rain that has pushed through the area earlier, and we continue to deal with those showers. But thankfully, they are beginning to push towards the east with that cold front that will begin to push in, bring us cooler weather later on today. Now, you can see on the futurecast as well, the rain and thunderstorms are going to continue to push off towards the east. By 3 o'clock, it's east of Tuscaloosa, and by 6 o'clock kickoff here in Tuscaloosa, it's nearing the Georgia border. So we should be clearing out for the game tonight. As we walk you through hour by hour on for the game tonight, you can see tailgating middle 70s, mostly cloudy skies through the evening, kickoff temperatures right around 70 degrees, and then as they're heading home from the game and then we're beginning to wrap up for the final whistle, temperatures are going to be in the lower 60s, but mostly cloudy skies, and there is going to be a continuing chance for a couple of stray showers or drizzle as we do go throughout the afternoon. Gary?
Thank you, Tatum. Well, the weather is certainly a concern. There's no doubt about that. Let's take a final look at our forecast ahead of kickoff. CTO weather specialist Dax Clark joins us again live with the latest. Dax.
Right, Gary, and we've got a lot of rain out there right now. Winds are gusting as well. Winds gusting over 30 miles an hour right now as that last band of rain moves through Tuscaloosa. You can see on our sky cam. And then on the radar, you can see that band of showers moving to the east through central Alabama. Will continue to quickly move off to the east of Tuscaloosa. So game time will be mostly dry. You can see starting at noon here, it begins to push off towards the east. By 4 o'clock, it's in the Birmingham area. And then going into 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you can see it's begin to push closer to the Georgia border. So Tuscaloosa will be left with mostly cloudy skies and maybe a couple areas of drizzle for the game, but by and large, most of the big rain will have moved on. Now, as you can see, we're walking through your hour by hour. 3 o'clock, mid-70s. We're going to begin to cool down as that front continues to pour in that cool air. By 9 o'clock, though, sit lower 60s, so you might want the jacket for the end of the game. And that's your local weather forecast. Gary?
Appreciate it.